Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Friday's Daily Financial Report.
The dollar-yen pair skyrocketed 1.7% in the last session. The CCI is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair plummeted 2.4% in the last session. The ROC is giving a negative signal. The gold-dollar pair dove 1.7% in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal. The oil-dollar pair dove 1.1% in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
The world's largest investment banks expect global economic growth to slow further in 2023, following a year roiled by the Ukraine conflict and soaring inflation, which triggered one of the fastest monetary policy tightening cycles in recent times. A top executive of the FTX group of companies told Bahamas police that funds were commingled between the crypto exchange and its sister trading firm Alameda Research as early as November the 9th, court documents show. The dollar was on the back foot, even as the Federal Reserve kept to its hawkish rhetoric after raising rates by 0.5 percentage point, as investors were doubtful over how much the central bank would commit to putting the brakes on growth to curb inflation.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The US Baker Hughes US oil rig count will be released at 1800 hours GMT. Japan's Jibun Bank Services PMI at 0 hours and 30 minutes GMT. The UK's retail sales at 0700 hours GMT. The Austrian HICP will be released at 0800 hours GMT. The Eurozone's harmonised index of consumer prices at 1000 hours GMT. The UK's GfK consumer confidence at 0 hours and 1 minute GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Friday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.